been 40 days since your body was trampled with the hooves of their horses. It's been 40 days since your head was severed and your body was left to the corpses. It's been 40 days since Abbas had fallen, slain at the banks of the Euphrates River. It's been 40 days since Sukaina called for Abbas, but with severed arms, what could he give her? It's been 40 days since Qasim would pledge that to die for you was sweeter than honey. It's been 40 days since Layla prayed for Al-Akbar as he plunged into the Umayyad army. It's been 40 days since your loyal companions fell, giving their lives for you one by one. It's been 40 days since the sacrifice of your blood awakened everything under the sun. It's been 40 days since your family was taken after you, captives paraded from town to town. It's been 40 days since the world cried for your tragedy and the skies turned red and brown. It's been 40 days since the day of Ashura, since the massacre at Karbala. It's been 40 days and 1,000 years later, people still remember your 72. It's been 40 days and 1,000 years later, now millions walk to you. From the four corners of the earth they flock to you. Let these days turn to months, and those months turn to years. No matter how much time has passed, and no matter the troubles or fears, from near and far we long for you. From near and far we return to you. To you, O Hussein, to you we return, to you.